how you can create a WAKA TV account and make a payment. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open the WAKA TV website on your laptop or phone. Once you're on the website, look for the Buy Now button and click it. Now, you will see two plans, a monthly plan and a yearly plan. Pick the one you like. In this video, I will choose the monthly plan. After that, you will need to enter your email and a password you want to use. Once you type your email and password, click on the Login button. Then, go check your email. WAKA TV will send you a 4-digit code. Copy that code. Now, come back to the WAKA TV page, type the code, your email, and your password, and then click Create an Account. After your account is made, you need to choose a payment method. You can pay with a credit card, debit card, or a bank transfer. Next, choose if you want auto-renew on or off, and check the price and discount details. Then click on Buy Now to move forward. You will see some information, so just scroll through it quickly. After that, type your email again, agree to the terms, and click on Purchase. Now, fill in your payment information. You need to write your email, card number, expiry month and year, first name, last name, ID number, state, city, zip code, street name, and street number. Double-check everything to make sure it is correct. After checking, click on Purchase again, and that's it. That's how you can create a WAKA TV account and make a payment.